Yo, take your so soulful, man. Definitely ain't never been. Yo, I used to sell crack to my family. My mom ain't understand me. I went to granny, there wasn't nothing in my pantry, but shit was good as long as niggas need nose candy. I'm shooting out the Grand Prix. I was raised to ride for my family. We came from residue right on my living room table. No cable, wasn't no horses up in my stable. Now I'm in the GLE coupe right on Rodeo. I'm just fading the block, shipping getting fatal. Fiend smoking out the Fago. I used to fuck your bitch in my old Suegos. Now I lay low and stack up my pesos. I make my own money, I don't need no label. We can't move on your time, we can't do what you say so. I'm grateful, and I'm thankful. When they don't love you, they hate you. But most importantly, don't let them break you. Niggas just want a bad bitch that's faithful. And a Wraith too. Two-tone joint. Niggas came from nothing, man. You know, you really had to get it out the mud. A lot of niggas had to give it to him. You had to go get it. You know? Yo, I'ma sip this Remy, I'ma take y'all there. Yo, my mom told me I was different. I went with it and used it to my advantage. Now we ain't Christian. Look at us, nigga. I'm one of the youngins who listen. I should be listed as one of the greatest niggas that ever did it. Another year with nothing for Christmas, nothing in my kitchen. Made me hungry, but I wasn't tripping. I swear you couldn't live in my conditions. Fell down on my knees so many times and prayed, and the Lord was my witness. All the niggas I shot, I asked for forgiveness. And every lick I hit, I broke bread with my niggas. My grill rose gold, Cartier's vintage. And every time you see us, my niggas, we winning. We the realest. It ain't easy, man. Everybody can't do this.